Right now, SKOOL is probably the most talked about platform for creating an online community, but also hosting online courses inside classrooms, just like this one I'm showing on the screen right now. But right now, it feels like it's only possible to host video courses. But let me show you, in case you have just an audio course, how you can still use SKOOL, but use the classroom also to host your audio courses and lessons and all that. So here's the trick, because right now when let's say I edit this one, if I was to remove this, and you can only add a video, and here is the link. That's your only option. You can either add a YouTube video, a video that's hosted on Vimeo, hosted on Loom, or Wistia. That's your only, those are your only possibilities. So if you have an audio file that you want to host inside the classroom, this is what you can do. Let me show you. So let me cancel that. And let's go to Canva. So the trick is going to be to turn your audio into a video file. There's no way around that, and you can easily do that in just 2 steps with Canva. Canva is free, so you might as well take advantage and use that. So you have a bit of work to do up front, but here's what I would do. You upload your audio, and it's going to appear right here on this side. You're going to first create a new design. That's going to be a video 1920 by 1080p. And that's going to open a blank Canva like this. You're going to have a 5-second video. You can extend that to whatever length of your audio is. You're going to upload here on this side your audio file. And then you can just, so let's pretend this is the one. Actually, this one is probably a music sound or something like that. Yeah, but let's pretend this is the audio of your course. Then what you're going to do is just add an image, for instance. So you can go to Photos, and here you can search a photo that will illustrate what it is you talk about. Let's say you talk about families. Let's use this one, for instance. And this is the simple version on how to do it. Let's do something like this. Let's make it, there we go. And this is going to be the photo up till the end. So now this is what the video is going to look like. And the sound is going to go and talk, and it's going to go, and this is going to be the background of the video. You can obviously go more complicated and have like a slideshow of images if you want. You can also go, if you want to go into, what if I move that? I can go into the stock videos, and I can add clips like this to the Canva. And so, you know, it's gonna play the clip. So, but you have to add enough clips so it goes, because you might not find clips that are long enough. So you might have to add multiple ones until it fits the length of your audio file. So let me remove that. Let's export it. I'm going to share it, download it. MP4 quality, it's HD. All right, so it's been downloaded. Now we're going to come to, let me zoom in. We're going to come to YouTube, and we're going to upload. If you don't have a YouTube account, I encourage you to just create one. It's free, and you can upload videos there. You can make them. I'm going to show the process right now, but let me select the file and upload it right away. This is my audio course that I just exported. So it's going to come right here. I can add a description. I mean, depends if you want to make it public or private, because this is what I'm going to show you right now. But just add the description, fill out all the details. this is not really the topic for this one. You can add a playlist, all of that. So it's processing the video, but I'm gonna leave it as is. And what I'm gonna do is not made for kids. I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna do next. And when it comes to publish, here's what you're gonna do. If you want to keep it like you can make it public, so it's available on YouTube, and anyone who searches it will be able to find it. But you can do unlisted if you don't want that to happen and you want to keep it private to be hosted inside of your school classroom. So let's pretend this is your use case and you don't want it to be available out there for the public. You're gonna go unlisted, so nobody except to someone who has that direct link can access that. And you're gonna say save. And now it's published, unlisted. And now I'm going to copy the link right here. So if I go on my channel, just to show you that it's not. There you go. These are my video right now that I still need to put some nails on, but you can see that the last one published, if we go videos, this is the last one published. It was actually 12 minutes ago. It's not that new one. So let me go back to my SKOOL community. And now if I go to the classroom and I'll come in this one, let's say I'm gonna add a new module. Oh, it's been added at the top. Anyway, I'm gonna edit it. Now I can say audio course number 1. I can come here, add the video, and now I can add the link to my video. And what's gonna happen, and this is my video that I just created. It's my audio course that I turned into a video very simply and that I hosted on YouTube. So I can add all the description I want and I'm going to save. And I take it's published. So now I can just go and play that audio course that I just created. See? This is fairly easy. You can't yet, I assume yet, because I'm pretty sure at some point the SKOOL team is gonna release that feature so you can add more than just hosting on the 4 platforms that we've mentioned, that we've seen before. So I think it's gonna come, but this is how I would do it right now. And if I was to have an audio course and I wanted to use SKOOL to host that. So if you have any questions, just feel free to join my free community. It's free. I'm there to answer any question around SKOOL, where I help people just set up their SKOOL and just take advantage of that amazing platform, because this is really an amazing platform to just sell your advice online, have a coaching program. It's so easy to use, simple, friendly. So yeah, feel free to join my free SKOOL community. I have a bunch of free courses as well. And the link is going to be below this video. And feel free to reach out if you have any question. I'm happy to help.